Hi everybody. My name is Olga. I welcome you to my channel Shabby Chic, where I bring old things back to life. If you have a desire to support this video and my channel, please give a like, subscribe to the channel and click the bell so more people can see this video. For me personally, thank you. Today I will be restoring an old chest of drawers, produced at the Riga Match Factory in 1952. The dresser is made of solid pine and plywood and covered with red paint and varnish. I didn't have the right tools, but I wanted to start now. I found a method on the internet. You can remove the varnish with a spatula and a gas torch. I quickly treated the surface with the flame, trying not to burn the wood, and immediately cleaned with a spatula. My husband said I wasted so much gas that I could have heated the whole house. Stripping the paint and varnish off the decorative elements was the most laborious part of the job. There were so many and each detail had to be sanded by hand. It took several days to complete this task. My order with the necessary tools arrived. I now have sander, construction dryer, wood putty, primer, wood glue, scraper, chemical liquid for paint and varnish removal, safety glasses, metal brushes, sanding discs, painter's tape, masticans for applying putty, brushes, construction gloves, professional respirator for respiratory protection, rollers, a round metal brush for small parts, a scraper with interchangeable blades. I removed the old fittings, took out the locks as the keys to them had not been saved. Some self-tapping screws were crumbling from rust, so I had to ask my husband to drill them out. It turned out that I bought sanding discs of small fraction, which quickly clogged with paint and did not remove it. Then I decided to try a chemical paint remover. I applied it with a brush. And immediately covered it with foil, because it dries quickly. The varnish instantly started to bubble. I was too late. You have to remove the lacquer almost immediately. The chemistry works from the first seconds. But chemistry is not my forte, so I mistakenly decided to give the product time. It dried, resetting the nail polish. The whole effect was gone. While waiting for new chemistry and discs, I decided to try a squeegee. The paint was removed, but very slowly, and it was very hard physically. The discs came in the right fraction. I finally got the dresser drawers cleaned up. You can also get rid of old paint with a construction hair dryer and a trowel. The paint is heated up with the hair dryer and removed with the trowel. This is not the fastest method, but it works. The twisted elements had to be protected with sandpaper, knife, and brush. This took a lot of time, effort, and all profanity-laden words. At the end, I went over the entire surface with a sanding wheel. Caulked all the bumps, nails, and chips with wood putty. The locks I decided to put back in place to keep the entourage and vintage feel. When the putty dried, I sanded it down. Finally, I sanded with 320 grit sandpaper to make the surface as smooth as possible. This brand did not pay me for advertising, but otherwise it was hard to get rid of dust. I degreased the surface with alcohol and applied primer. I moved on to painting. The NCS catalog color number is listed in the description. I did 4 coats in 4 days. The brass handles have arrived. They look fantastic. The only thing left to do was to properly mark and drill them. That's the result. Thank you for watching to the end. Put likes or dislikes, write comments, subscribe to the channel. And I'm off to buy a new old thing.